Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. In this particular session, I'm going to be discussing the complete strategy for the most dreaded section in CLAT as well as in AILET, which is current affairs. Now see, current affairs the way they give the questions has changed over a period of time. So you would see that sometimes only the current affairs questions would come. Sometimes you would also see certain static GK questions from those current affairs. So for example, if you've been asked about a particular current affair, जैसे भी recently India won the chess championship, right? So they could ask you a background story of that कि इससे पहले किसने जीता है, who's the second youngest if Indian has become the youngest. So they can ask you things like that also. For CLAT 2024 as well as CLAT 25, we also see that they've also asked straight away questions from static GK which are not even related to current affairs. They asked you a Jallianwala Bagh ka question in CLAT 24. They'll ask you a civil disobedience ka question in CLAT 2025. So now we have to be more prepared than ever. And that is what brings me to do this session कि यार हमको और थोड़ा ज़्यादा preparation करना पड़ेगा. We have to go that extra mile to be able to be ensured कि हमें सब कुछ आता है, right? So what are certain things we're going to be doing? What are certain sources that we have to refer? What are a few things which are non-negotiable that everybody has to do from the starting itself is something we'll be discussing. Now, a lot of students ask me when they start their CLAT preparation, sir, what should be the time period for which we study the current affairs? Now, generally the time period is from December to November because in the next December your exam would happen. So you would start in December and you would do it till the end of November or by the mid of November at least. So roughly 12 months का timeline रहेगा. और उसके अलावा there would be 4 major sources for your preparation and a 5th additional source also. Now, what are going to be those 4 major sources? The first source for your preparation is going to be the current affairs compendium. Now, compendiums are very important and they come on a monthly basis. So you don't have to go through a compendium every day, but whenever it comes for a month, you have to read it thoroughly. You have to give it, let's say 6-7 days and do it very properly. Second major source are going to be your classes in current affairs. You can figure out any mentor, you can study जिसका भी आपको current affairs समझ में आता है. You can do that and prepare properly for current affairs. ठीक है, करंट अफेयर्स की क्लासेस करना, रेगुलरली उनके नोट्स बनाना, अपने नोट से रीड करना, रिवाइज करना इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस एग्जाम. If you like my style of teaching, you can always join my classes. I have recently launched a new specific current affairs and static GK batch, जिसका आप पार्ट बन सकते हो. लिंक for the same I have given in the description. आप इन नंबर्स पर कॉन्टैक्ट भी कर सकते हो. These people would certainly guide you regarding everything you will get in this batch. It has certain additional features also, तो आप इस बैच का भी पार्ट बन सकते हो, right? उसके अलावा if you want to become a part of a full batch, we have launched a couple of new batches which is Shubharam Plus as well as Shubharam. तो आप उनका भी पार्ट बन सकते हो. सेम नंबर्स पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो and they will give you all the information about it as to what are the features. We have certain very exciting features. तो आप जब भी किसी को कॉल करो हमारी टीम में तो उनसे क्लियरली पूछना कि what are those additional or what are those exciting features that sir was talking about in the video there, right? So coming on to the point, यहाँ पर compendiums and classes are going to be the most relevant sources. The third source is going to be your newspaper articles. Because हम लोग अपने टेलीग्राम चैनल पर रोज द हिंदू और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस की हेडलाइंस देते हैं. You have to read those headlines सिर्फ headlines नहीं, पूरे उनके articles really properly. How will that help you is you will clearly know as to what's going on in the environment, मतलब क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में, इंडिया में. Secondly, your reading speed would improve immensely. If you are somebody who feel that your English might not be really well, you'll have to work really hard on the English, and that's something you need to work really properly on. Newspaper is the starting point for that. It helps you with current affairs, it helps you with a lot of reading, and you are able to decipher those difficult passages also because you have to read those editorials and difficult articles in the newspaper. So that helps a lot. So that becomes your third resource. Fourth source for current affairs are going to be your mock tests. So you would say that how mock tests can be a source for current affairs. Now see, there are few topics that would be taught to you in classes. Few topics would come in the compendiums. Some things you would obviously read in the newspaper as well. But you would see that a lot of time in mock tests, we would give you topics that you would have not read anywhere. Even from the topics you would have read. Just say, in the starting of this session, I took the example of D. Gukesh, who won the World Chess Championship at the age of 18, became the youngest, you could say, chess player to do that and all of that. अब उसमें से, if I ask you 5-6 questions, even if you have read that topic, there is a possibility you might not know 2 or 3 out of 5 or 6, right? तो इसीलिए mock tests are of huge help. They help you a lot in understanding these things कि भाई there could be certain other questions that could be made from a particular topic, and even if you have read that topic, आपको वो वापस से 2-4 questions और add करवा देगा in your arsenal. So I discussed this a lot of times in my classes. The way to make notes in current affairs is that whenever you make notes of a particular topic, leave a page blank. When you leave a page blank, you always have that chance that if anything is added to that particular topic during the year, you can add it then and there. If you get a new fact in a mock test or anywhere about that topic, आप उसको वहीं पर ऐड कर सकते हो. नहीं तो क्या होगा कि आप फिर 4 जगह एक ही टॉपिक के नोट्स बना दोगे और कहीं से ठीक से नहीं पढ़ पाओगे, राइट? सो इट्स बेटर टू लीव अ पेज एंड डू दैट प्रॉपर्ली. तो ये थे 4 मेजर सोर्सेज. एक फिफ्थ बोनस सोर्स होता है where you can spend 5 minutes of your time every day on that source, which is called GK Today. GK Today is a website जहां पर you will find 5 daily MCQs and CLAT and AILET have a history of giving questions directly from this particular website. So ये एक हैक सोर्स है आपके लिए. Do really properly from this source. आपको रोज के बस 5 मिनट देने हैं. हम इतनी देर अपना फोन चलाते हैं, शॉर्ट्स देखते हैं, रील्स देखते हैं. Just do this. करंट अफेयर्स के लिए डिसिप्लिन बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, बिकॉज यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट टू डू करंट अफेयर्स इन द लास्ट 2 months. सब कुछ आप नहीं कर पाओगे. पेपर इन करंट अफेयर्स कुड बी इजी, could be difficult, it could be vague also, हमें नहीं पता है. तो we will be ready for the worst case scenario. हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि इस साल तो पेपर आसान आया था तो अगले साल भी आसान ही आएगा तो कमी करके जाते नहीं. That is a very pessimistic approach. आसान वाला तो हम करेंगे ही करेंगे, लेकिन जो डिफिकल्ट वाली चीज है वो भी हम जरूर करेंगे as a part of the current affairs course or the Shubharam or the Shubharam plus batches that I talked about अभी in this particular session, right? So do it really properly. Keep yourself disciplined. Current affair की अच्छी बात ये है कि when you practice current affairs, I mean when you prepare for current affairs, it seems like the lengthiest section कि यार ये कितना ज्यादा है, रोज पढ़ो current affairs, रिवाइज करो, ये करो वो करो. But in the exam, it takes your least amount of time among all the section. मतलब आप 1/4 पेपर कर लेते हो 10-12 मिनट में, या मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम 15 मिनट में if it's lengthy like CLAT 25, right? तो इतने से कम टाइम में when you're able to solve 1/4 of the you could say questions. और current affairs की एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये है कि when you do that paper, आपको उसी पॉइंट पे रियलाइज हो जाता है कि आपके आंसर सही है या गलत है, बिकॉज आज आपको पता है कि मुझे आता है या नहीं आता है, राइट? तो इफ योर करंट अफेयर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड यू डू रियली वेल इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन, यू आर ऑलवेज हाईली मोटिवेटेड इन द एंटायर पेपर कि मुझे पता है मेरा करंट अफेयर अच्छा हो गया तो बाकी में मैं कर सकता हूँ. करंट अफेयर्स इज ऑल्सो द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस मेकर इन मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लैट एग्जाम्स. ठीक है, क्लैट 25 वाज एन एक्सेप्शन, अदरवाइज करंट अफेयर्स एक बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस मेकर होता है. ठीक है, हमने जो क्लासेस की थी, हम लोग लास्ट ईयर से भी करंट अफेयर्स के साथ में स्टैटिक जीके हमेशा पढ़ाते हुए आए हैं. दिस कोर्स विल आल्सो डील विद दैट. हमारे लास्ट ईयर के कोर्स से स्टैटिक जीके से डायरेक्टली क्लैट में क्वेश्चन भी आया, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. ठीक है, वो हमने प्रॉपर्ली पढ़ा था. और उसके अलावा भी जो क्वेश्चन आए थे, ब्रिक्स, ओलंपिक्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स वर डिस्कस्ड इन क्लास वेरी प्रॉपर्ली, right? So we are going to be making sure that if the paper is easy, you are 100% going to cover it. But even if it's difficult, हो सकता है डिफिकल्ट भी हो जाए, तो भी आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस करके आओगे एग्जाम में, ये मेरी गारंटी रहेगी. ठीक है, you can always visit 12minutes2clat.com or you can download our apps from Play Store or from App Store, and we'll be very happy to guide you till the end of your journey for CLAT as well as for AILET. All the best guys, I'll see you in classes. अगर कोई भी आपके पास इसके बाद भी डाउट होता है, mention that in the comment box. I'll be very happy to take it from there and answer for you. Keep smiling, keep working really hard, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be your year. All the best guys.